Hello students, in today's maths class, we will discuss the next types of the topic linear equations. So before starting with the class, first of all, let us discuss the objectives of today's class. So far we have done these two objectives. Today we will do these next two objectives, objective number 3 and objective number 4. So objective number 3 is fraction sums by taking LCM of monomials, and objective number 4 is fraction sums by taking LCM once again, and this time LCM of binomials. Students, before starting with the LCM questions, first of all let us discuss how to take LCM of algebraic equations. Method is same when we take the LCM of fractions. So let's have a look how to take LCM in case of algebra. Here statement I have taken as x upon 2 plus x upon 3 is equals to 4. Students, here also we will take LCM of denominators, that are 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is equals to 6. Now start taking LCM. So write here upon 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 1 6 are 6. So write here and do the multiplication. It will become 3x 2x is equals to 24, and as here I have taken common LCM, means I have taken LCM on both sides. So here we will do drop LCM. So now after adding these two, I'll get 5x is equals to 24. This 5 will be divided by 24, so x equals to 24 upon 5. So this was the LCM in case of algebra. Students, now let us discuss the type number 3. So type number 3 is fraction containing monomial. Statement is solve 2y upon 3 plus y minus 4 upon 2 is equals to 5 and find the value of y. Now let's start with the solution. Write down the statement and take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is equals to 6. Now do the multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Here write multiply by 3. This is binomial. Keep this binomial into bracket is equals to sign here. Put here equals to sign. 1 6 are 6, so 5 multiply by 6. Do the multiplication. Here you'll get 4y. Plus sign is there. It will come as it is. Here apply arrow method. It will become 3y plus 12 is equals to 30. Do collect like terms. 7y. This 12 will shift to this side. 30 minus 12. It will become 30 minus 12. Do the subtraction. 7y is equals to 18. This 7 will be divided. So therefore y equals to 18 upon 7. Change into mixed fraction or in decimal form. Here I have changed into mixed fraction. So answer is 2 whole number 4 upon 7. Students, now let us start with the type number 4. That is fraction containing binomial. Earlier we have done fraction which contain monomial. This fraction will contain binomial. Statement is solve 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon x plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 3 bracket x plus 1 and find the value of x. Start with the solution. Write down the statement. Here we will take LCM of the denominator. Denominator is 3 x plus 1 and 3 bracket x plus 1. So its LCM will be 3 x plus 1. Write here upon 3 x plus 1. Here see 3 is already there, so we will not multiply 4 with the 3. We will multiply 4 with x plus 1. Minus 1 will come as it is. Here x plus 1 is already there. We will not do multiplication with x plus 1. We will do multiplication with 3 is equals to 7 upon full term here. So we will do multiplication with only 1. Now common LCM is there. So drop the LCM. Do multiplication by using arrow method. Here we will get 4x plus 4 minus 3 is equals to 7. Here we will subtracting these both, plus minus sign of bigger term. Subtract the number, we will get plus 1. This 1 will shift to this side. We will get 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. So now this 4 will be shifted. It will become 6 upon 4. Do the cutting on 2 table. Here it will be 3 upon 2. So answer is 1 whole number 1 upon 2. So children, this was all about the fraction sums. I hope that you have understood how to take LCM of monomials and how to take LCM of binomials. Now you will get worksheets in your SNAP homework. I hope that you will be able to solve all the worksheets which you are going to get in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.